Hello everyone, today we are going to start our module 1 of Principles of Management with the course code BBLB1001. So our first module is Evolution of Management. So in this module or this unit we are going to study how management has evolved, and these days now it is prevalent in each and every organization and business, how it gained the importance in whole business world. And the next one, that is a session objective, which is specific to this session only, like it will provide you the insight on management concepts and craft of management. Okay, so let's start with the question, what is management? Okay, so first thing which is coming in our mind, what is management is all about? So the basic thought process of everyone is like managing the things means management. But being a management student, you should all know what exactly management is, okay? Or what is the technical definition, technical meaning of management. So management is the act of getting people together to accomplish desired goals and objective, and also using the available resources efficiently and effectively. So you can say, like, what you are doing, you are getting things done by the others by utilizing the available resources within the organization. Okay, and management comprises planning, organizing, staffing, leading, or directing and controlling an organization. Okay, so that is about the management. So let's understand management by the definition of Harold Kuntz also. Like, management is an art of getting things done through and with the people in formally organized group. It is an art of creating an environment in which people can perform and can cooperate towards attainment of group goals. Okay, so if we break the definition, we will easily understand like what management is. So in first part, what is about, what is there, like it getting management is about, it is the art of getting things done by the others, okay, in a formal group, in a formal group in an organization, groups which is bounded by the jobs, groups which is bounded by the employment, that those groups are called as formal groups. Okay, so you are getting things done by the formal groups, and management is also about creating the environment within the organization so that you can so that group can perform well, they can cooperate, they can coordinate, and through that they can easily attain the group goals. So that is about the management. Next question is, who are the managers? Okay, managers, individual in an organization who direct the activities of others or hired by the organization. Okay, so manager term is like it is bounded by the job, it is formal one, which is manager is the person who has been hired by the organization. Okay, they are the people, they are the responsible people, they are the responsible individuals who are directing all the activities which is happening within the organization. Okay, so these are the managers. So now next question is, where managers work. Okay, so manager is bound to employment, manager is bound to job. So where they are working, that is organization. Okay, so organization is what? It is an entity, it is an entity, a company, an institution, an association which comprises more than two people and they are working for a common goal. So, as here it is written, a systematic arrangement of people brought together to accomplish some specific purpose applies to all organizations. Okay, where managers work, or you can say where managers manage the things. Then there are some common characteristics of organization, like they are having the distinct purpose and goals, they are having the specific purpose, they are having the specific goals to accomplish, they are having people or manpower, or you can say human resource, human asset, and they are having the systematic structure, or you can say like hierarchy. Okay, so now let's see some of the features of management, or you can say characteristics of management. So first is management is goal oriented. So before doing any work, we are setting up some goals or objectives, and we are doing the work, we are practicing the things to achieve all those goals. So same way management is also eyeing upon to achieve the objectives. So whenever we are saying effective management, that aims to unite efforts of all individuals who are there in the organization to achieve the organizational goals. Okay, so it is simply like whenever we are measuring, whenever we are uh, thinking about the results, that is all measured by the help of achievable goals or objectives. Then next is management is pervasive. Pervasive means it is universal, it is followed by everyone, it is followed by each and every organization. That is pervasive. It means it will be available in hospitals, it will be available in any organization, in each and every business it is there. So that is why it is pervasive. Then next is management integrates various things like human, physical and financial resources. And in another terms we can say like it is multidimensional, because it is integrating the people and other resources, and that is for what? That is to achieve the organizational goals. Then next is management is continuous process. It is dynamic in nature, it is always, it is keep on changing, it continuously, it is changing. So that is why it is like management is continuous process, it is ongoing and it is never ending process. That is why we are saying management is a continuous process. Then next, it is management is a group activity. So as I have told you, management is happening where? In the organization. An organization is what? It is the uh, group of people who are working together, formal group of people who are working together to achieve some common goals. So an organization achieves its goal with the help of various individuals working as a group. So it means that is a group activity. So these all are the features of management. Goal oriented, it means they are having the specific goals. It is pervasive, it means it is available in everywhere. Every organization is following the rules and principles of management. Another one, it integrates the human, physical and financial resources. Next, it is continuous one. It is ongoing process. It is never ending process. Continuously organizations are practicing this management activity. Okay, then next, that is the management is a group activity. So it is a group activity because more than two people are working together to achieve some goals. So these are about all about features of. Okay, so let's see some of the objectives of management. Okay, first one is getting maximum results with minimum efforts. So it is the main objective of management, okay, to secure maximum output with minimum efforts and resources. So when you are utilizing your resources at the fullest, then you will get the maximum output. Okay, so management is what? Management is basically concerned with thinking and utilizing human, material, financial resources in such a manner that would result in best combination. This combination results in reduction of various cost. Okay, so next one, that is increasing the efficiency. So through proper utilization of various factors which are available in the organization, you can increase their efficiency to their greater extent. Okay, so by properly utilizing the resources, by properly maximum utilization of resources within the organization, you can increase the efficiency, you can reduce the wastage, you can reduce the you you can say breakage, you can say like waste of the things, you can reduce that, and you can save the time by proper utilization of everything. So same way, it is all about increasing the efficiency of organization. Then the next is, that is maximum prosperity for employer and employees. So as management, it means the coordination, it means the cooperation, because they are managing various people who are working together for a common goal. So management ensures that it should be smooth and coordination within the organization will be there. Okay, regarding the functioning, regarding all the processes, everything should be coordinated and smooth enough. That will lead to the, you can say, prosperity among the employer as well as employee. And when everything is coordinated, when everything is smooth enough, that in turn helps in providing the maximum benefit to the employee in the shape of good working condition, suitable wages, salary, incentive plans they will get. And in the another hand, if employer is getting the maximum benefits, maximum profit, so obviously employer will also feels the same as employee is feeling. So it will increase the prosperity among the employer as well as employee. Okay, so these are some of the objectives of management. Okay, so let's see some of the importance of management. First, it helps in achieving group goals. So management is all about coordination, integrating the things. So it arranges the factors of production, assembles and organizes the resources, integrates the resources in an effective manner to achieve goals, and it also directs group efforts towards achievement of some predetermined goals. So you can say by integrating everything, it helps the group to achieve their goals. Okay, then the next is that is the optimum utilization of resources. So next, optimum utilization of resources. So management utilizes all the physical and human resources productively. They are using all the resources at the fullest, and this leads to efficacy in management. And management provides maximum utilization of scarce resources by selecting its best possible alternate use in industry from out of various uses. So like it simply helps the organization to utilize the various resources which are available in the organization at the fullest, or optimum utilization of resources is there with the help of management. Then the next is that is the reduces cost. It gets maximum results through minimum input by proper planning and by using minimum input and getting maximum output. Management uses all physical, human and financial resources in such a manner which results in best combination, and this helps organization to reduce the cost. Then fourth one, that is the establishes sound organization. So when everything is smooth, everything is coordinated, so it develops or it establishes a sound organizational structure. And what does it mean? Like, it is one of the objective, like sound organizational structure is one of the objective of management, which is in tune with the objective of the organization. And for the fulfillment of this, it establishes effective authority and responsibility relationship within the organization. Okay, then the next is that is the establishes equilibrium. So as you all know, market is dynamic, everything is keep on changing. So if your management is strong, so it establishes a equilibrium, or you can say a balance within the organization, so that your organization can easily cope up with the changing environment. It enables the organization to survive in the changing environment. It keeps in touch with the changing environment. With the change in external environment, the initial coordination of organization must be changed. So it adapts organization to changing demands of market, changing needs of society. It is responsible for growth and survival of the organization. So if your management is strong, so obviously that will help your organization to be in the market, to survive, to cope up the changes which is happening there in the external environment. Next, essentials for prosperity of society. So when an organization is doing good, obviously they will also means organization will also do good for the society, because whatever they are getting, that is all because of the society. So an effective or efficient management leads to better economical production, which helps in turn to increase the welfare of people. A good management makes a difficult task easier by avoiding wastage of scarce resources. It improves the standard of living. It increases the profit, which is beneficial to business, and society will get maximum output at minimum cost by creating employment opportunities, by providing the uh, by providing the opportunities to get the maximum benefit from the organization. It is helping the society to generate the income in their hands. So that is all about the importance of management. Okay, so at last some takeaways are there, or you can say like these are some of the topics for your practice, or these are the things which you should keep in your mind, like definition of management, what is management, who are the managers, where they are working, what is craft of management, what are the different characteristics and features of management, objective and importance of management.